I remember when I was just getting into fixing cars, one thing that really made so many jobs accessible was having a basic tool set. This isn't the basic tool set I'm talking about. That basic tool set was this beat up case. You can see a similarity in size. This one's definitely seen hell and a half. This guy, once I got him, he gave me some nice basics, but it was definitely very minimalistic. This I installed myself, this foam thing, because otherwise all the sockets would be rattling around. I even put in a few extra elements to make it a little bit more comprehensive. And this Christmas, I got a nice little upgrade. Now, the Boen, I've already had some of their other tools, so I am familiar with this. And this guy I love. The case is nice and sturdy. When it is closed, everything is nice and firm in there. Nothing is shaking around. Afterwards, you have two metal clasps on the side. You open those up, and this is what we're working with. A nice, comprehensive set that goes over standard, that goes over metric. Neck one, you have your shallow head ones. You have a pivoting head in case we need to be getting into any kind of awkward angles, going all the way up to 22 millimeter. I deal with millimeters more than anything. Furthermore, you get a nice, solid ratcheting wrench on it. I love the finish on them. And overall, I know they're durable because I'm familiar with this brand. So I cannot wait to be putting these into motion. Even have a little impact adapter in here. Love how comprehensive they are. And honestly, I feel I don't need to be adding anything in here. I close this up, I seal it, and that's it. It doesn't go rattling around inside. Easy to transport. Weighs a little bit extra, but again, quality tools, that's normal. Hopefully you guys found this helpful and this sheds a little bit on light of what you can expect from this tool set. Stay handy, stay safe out there. And remember, don't be scared of a used car. It can take you far.